YouTube, what up, man? We back. We about to go to an undisclosed location to get my my SRT RGB Demon Scat badge installed, man. I'm excited. It's been a little while. I meant to put it on like a long time ago, man. I'm not gonna lie. But when I went to go try to order it, they were out of stock. I don't know how long they was out of stock, but my boy 392 Eli, shout out Eli, man. I saw that he had bought one, and I'm like, yo, send the link. I need one. Bought that shit. That shit came in within like 3 days, and now I'm like just anxious to go put it on, man. So we about to go do that today, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. This is like, if y'all know me, I don't like badges too much. Now that I debadged the whole car, but like, this is something I really wanted, and I'm like, this is something that's gonna like make the car pop a little bit more. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll pick y'all up when we get there. All right, y'all, we made it here, man. Y'all see what's going on. You about to get me right, man. I still cannot get over how big this damn badge is. Like, this thing is just, I don't know, man. They're like, badge? You want a badge? All right, we'll give you a badge. But yeah, man, he about to get me right, man. I'm gonna put his information in the description. I'm gonna put his information down at the bottom. But yeah, man, if you in the area, man, get right with my boy, man. Get the sales up, man. He working hard out here, man. It's cold out here too, by the way. You know what I'm saying? It ain't as cold as it used to be before, but I mean, it's still cold, man. And he out here getting me right, man. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. This man working overtime, y'all. Look at this man, man. It's already on the car. It's already on the car, man. It look good. It look good, man. What y'all think, man? Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Drop a comment. You know what I mean? Leave a like. I like it. If y'all don't like it, I don't care. I like it. Nah, my fans that's watching, man, they know I be messing, man. I don't be serious, but yeah, man, it's looking real good. I kind of want to get the snorkel lights to light up too, but I think I'm gonna just leave that for like another time. I feel like that's gonna be too much. But I don't know, man. I'm getting some new badges on the side too, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna see that too. But yeah, man, we almost done. Dodge, y'all have got to stop making these jobs so difficult. He had to drop the bumper just to put the badge on. It's like, but it's reasons like this is I see why shops charge so much in labor, because they got to figure out how to take all this stuff apart without breaking it. So it's like, I mean, dropping a bumper is not difficult, but it's just like, sometimes things like that can be like an unnecessary step. But yeah, man, Dodge, y'all need to get it together, man. Get it together. Come out with something that look like this, but it's just easily to like disassemble.
Oh my God! Wow!
Y'all, this is tough. I can't even contain my excitement, man. That's hard. That's fire. Just, yo, nighttime finna go crazy. Yo, this is fire. That's hard. Nah, man, I can't even lie, man. He did his thing, man. Y'all, this badge is so tough, man. It's clean. I'm gonna have to probably get the headlights to match the color of this, because I think this is the whitest setting. But I mean, overall, it ain't bad. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till it get dark to show y'all what it looked like in the nighttime. Not the nighttime, but like just basically when it get darker. But yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put these like little rear vent covers or something like that on my car. I saw them on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bored, and I'm like, you know what? I can buy this just to kind of make them pop a little bit more and see what it does. But yeah, I'm gonna put them on the car and I'm gonna let y'all know how they look.
Later that same evening.
All right, y'all. Eli let me drive the whip. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave Zeus here for a minute, and then yeah, we gonna head to the car wash, man. We gonna get the whip cleaned up, man. Yo, Eli shit sound like a Hellcat in the inside, man. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. He get this car tuned, bro. This shit gonna be nasty. This car, man, like, it just got like a different exhaust note to it, man. Like, it sound good. Hold on. Yeah, it sound good though. Yo, Eli, I know you're gonna watch this. Yo, tell me why, like, the car is so damn, I don't know, it's bad long in this bit. Hold on. This car, bro, it's just like, it's mad comfortable though. It's hella comfortable in here, bro. Like, I ain't gonna show all your personal information, but it's just like, yo, this is fire, man. This is fire. Shout out 392 Eli, man, for throwing me the keys, man, trusting me with his car. Comment down below if y'all think that I should let him drive my car. But I'll probably let him drive it, man, honestly, because it's been a minute since I let somebody drive my car. Hey, Eli, man, I'm getting you right, man. I'm getting you right, man. They got the deluxe special, man. I'm getting you right, bro. Appreciate it, man. I'm getting you right, but yeah, man, I'm gonna show you some pictures or whatever whenever they done. And I'm gonna fill the tank up for you too, bro, cause why not? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put 87 in this month now.
What did he say?
Let me stop, man. I'm playing with you, bro. He probably watching this video like, hold on, let me go outside and check the car real quick. Make sure ain't no weird ass shit going on with my car. Nah, you good, bro. All right. Eli looking right, man. Hold on. Looking good, man. Look at bro, they put the work in on the wheels, bro. I'm telling you. It's clean, man. Yeah, that shit definitely shining. Boy, your thirsty ass car, bro. You was literally at half a tank, bro. Like, thirsty ass, bro. It's still going. You need a tune, bro. What is going on, bro? $45, bro? Come on, bro. That means it's taking you about, what's the math? 90 to fill up? It gotta be. Damn. Ooh, it popped. It popped on the startup. I don't know if y'all heard that. Oh, he overfull. Damn. Damn. Let's see where we at. Hold on. 240. Bro, you do not be cutting up, bro. You got great gas mileage. 13.8. That is amazing. All right, we are back in Zeus, man. It was fun driving the Charlie for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? He still got work, man. But we gonna get back right with him once he gets off. But yeah. In the meantime, it is getting darker, so I'm gonna show y'all the badge whenever I get back. And yeah, man, I'll keep y'all posted, man. All right, y'all. This is what we looking like in the nighttime. I don't know if y'all can tell between the headlights and the badge, but I pretty much changed the pitch of the white color on the headlights to kind of match the badge a little bit better. But yeah, man, we looking good. Hold on, I'm gonna change them real quick. Hold on. That's fire. That is too clean, man. Like, it just Man, I ain't even got no words, man. Comment down below, man. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, and for the back, these little things right here is pretty much what I added. The other side came off. I'm gonna fix it probably when it get a little warmer. The issue with that is just because it fell off earlier when I was at the car wash, and I ain't feel like putting it back on because it's cold. That side don't got it, but this side do. But I mean, I don't know. It don't really look that much different, but it definitely did bring out those little rear vents a little bit. Just kind of give it a little more detail, pop a little bit. Wheels is nice and clean. Basically where I took Eli car earlier is basically where I went take my car. So but yeah, I feel like the camera mad zoomed in, but yeah, man, we looking good though. Waiting on Eli now, man. Pulled up to Royal Farms. You know how it is, man. They got some of the best lighting, man. Hold on, man. Wait for this dude to pull up. This dude. This dude here, god damn. Bro, them wheels glossy as hell, boy. That shit look clean. Bro, tell me why it was another blue Challenger that went by. I started recording. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. I'm like, that shit dirty. I'm like, that ain't Eli. You went to the other Royal Farms? Yeah. Oh my God. Look at him talking to his fans, his subscribers. You ain't the only one. Yo, this is tough, bro. This is fine. Yo, I ain't. Look at this shit though. Hold on. Gotta get up on that. The funny thing is that this wasn't even really planned. Like, I wasn't expecting Eli to be in this video. I was just going to kind of just show y'all the badge. You know what I'm saying? Maybe get like a little drive in and call it a day, but I had to, man. I had to show love because, I mean, he the one that sent me the link. So I'm like, yeah, we out here twinning with the badges, man. But yeah, that blue just definitely popped. Yeah, man, this is fire. Why are you talking to yourself, bro? Chill.
Girl, them just a pre my song. Skin out your pussy, make you scream and shout. You know, say man a top dog, no me no puppy chow. She give me slappy tappy, so me bustin' her mouth. She love it when me X-rated. Inna your pussy, cocky dive and dip. No coming toxic, me no play.
All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I ain't seen the new engine bay yet, man. I got the new engine bay covers, got the, you know what I'm saying, the chromed out, the blue, you know what I'm saying, two 2 double catch can system, man. Nobody 1-on-1 right here, bro. Nobody got 2.
I just beat
I'm telling you, bro. 1-on-1, bro.
No oil going in
No oil. Look how clean that filter is, bro. Stop playing with me, man. But yeah, man.
5 likes, and he gonna swap the camera out to my car.
Hell nah, but hey, man, I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell y'all. Last video, I had said that by the end of the month, our goal was to get to 600 subscribers. Yo,
That boy almost at that 700.
we almost at 700, and it's only the start of February, y'all. I appreciate y'all so much. I know I've been posting like a lot of funny shorts and just like, you know, little stuff here and there, man. But if y'all like stuff like that, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I just try to mix it up and bring some, you know, flexibility to the channel, man. It's not always serious, but it's always not always, you know, humor. It's like a mix of the two, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all though, man. I love y'all, man. Be safe out here, man. Happy New Year. I know I said it before, but Happy New Year to y'all. I'm out, man. Peace.